Morning guys, it's 5:30 in the morning. Actually I decided to get up at 5 o'clock but now it's 5:30 and I am at Dharamshala. I'm at a guest house and from here we'll be going to Dharamkot, that is 6 kilometers from here, and from Dharamkot we'll be starting our trek and we'll be heading towards Triun, so that's the trek. So yeah, I'm pretty excited for the day. I'll be accompanied by my husband and my mother. Let's see how it turns out to be. And yeah, so in 30 minutes I need to get ready also, so I'll see you soon. So guys, now I'm actually ready and my gypsy is waiting outside. So before I move on, I'll just show you what am I wearing. So I need to be a little comfy when I'm like trekking and all. So I'm just wearing this jacket and it's like so cold outside, and pajamas and my Reebok shoes. So this is what I'm wearing. And guys, I'm like with no makeup. So yeah, now I'm pretty excited and I just need to rush. My gypsy is outside and I'm waiting. And if you're wondering where am I putting up in Dharamshala, so it's a Fauji guest house because I think nothing can beat Fauji hospitality. So I'm at the gypsy, so probably in 5-6 minutes I'll be reaching Dharamkot, and from there we'll start our trek. And it's a beautiful place. It's quite cold here, but yeah, I'm very excited for the trip. I've heard a lot about Triun, so let's see how it is actually. So yeah, once I reach Dharamkot, I'll see you then. Reached Dharamkot and it is beautiful here, and the trek which we have to follow till Triun, it starts from here. So we have started the trek and the terrain, it's like pretty steep. So now we have trekked for 4 kilometers and it's 3 more kilometers left, and we have halted here in this tent which is like this is not our tent. This might be some shop which is closed right now. So we are just taking a Maggie break here because we started early in the morning and we didn't have anything as a breakfast. So yeah, we are carrying kappa noodle. Yeah, the trek was good, the site is beautiful, and yeah, but it is tiring, but I'm just loving every bit of it. And I'll just show you the view from here. Now this is the view. And guys, I just can't explain how awesome the view from here is. I think the camera can't capture the real beauty of this place. And here is my hubby who's all busy in eating Maggie. So guys, this is Triun and I have finally reached here after the trek of 4 hours, and the climb was pretty steep. View is amazing. It's like worth climbing. I'll just show you the guest house and the view from here. So this is the view from here. That's Nitin, and that's the beautiful valley, and that is our guest house. That's by Forest Department. And this is the snow line which is visible from Triun. And that is the camping area. So now we will be heading towards that peak, and I hope that view would be really great from there. So this is me in this beautiful small temple, and the view here is amazing. It's really nice. So guys, whenever you plan to visit Dharamshala, McLeodganj, so Triun is the place for you. And you don't need particular places to go. I mean, you can just look at the site, choose your favorite path and just walk. And I can guarantee you, you'll get the beautiful view from there. I mean, this place is heaven.
Guys, I've already told you that this is the snow line, and I was just wondering in the month of November, why can't I see any trail of snow here? So I asked the localites, and they said till 2014 this snow line used to be covered with heavy snow throughout the year, but from past 2 years the condition is really bad because of the global warming. And they said lack of snowfall means all dried up rivers. Availability of water has become a big concern here. Guys, I think it's high time for us to wake up. I was reading it somewhere in some article. In last 50 years the earth's global temperature has gone up by 3%. I think we all should join hands and try to preserve and protect the nature so that the nature can protect us with whatever little we can do, like planting trees or carpooling or using solar geysers, or like using CFL bulbs over normal bulbs, as they use 70% less energy than normal bulbs. I mean, anything little which we can do comfortably, because I think little things which we can do can make huge positive changes in our environment. I'm really glad that I came to this place. Triund is just mesmerizing. It is beautiful. It is awesome. Thank you so much, Triund. And now it's time to sign off. And now I would be hitting to another trek, that would be Kirari. So if you like the video, then do like, subscribe, comment and share. And I am gonna see you in my next trek, that is Trek to Kirari. Bye.